Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Amazon error 8541. This error is a common matching conflict that happens when the product information you submit doesn't align with what Amazon already has in its catalog. It typically arises when core attributes, such as the product's brand, title, or a unique product identifier like a UPC, contradict existing ASIN data. Understanding this discrepancy is the first step to resolving the issue and getting your listing live. To effectively fix error 8541, you first need to pinpoint the exact data mismatch. The error message itself will often highlight the specific attribute that's causing the conflict, showing both your submitted value and Amazon's existing value. Head over to your Seller Central account, navigate to Manage Inventory or complete your drafts, and carefully compare your product's details against Amazon's catalog. This step is crucial for identifying where the information diverges. Once you've identified the conflicting data, you can often resolve error 8541 manually. Go to Manage Inventory in Seller Central, find the affected product, and click Edit. Update the attribute that caused the error to exactly match the information Amazon has in its catalog. If you're listing a new product, double-check that your GTIN, like a UPC or EAN, is correctly registered and adheres to all Amazon category guidelines to prevent future issues. Sometimes, manual adjustments aren't enough to resolve error 8541. If the problem persists, it's time to open a support case with Amazon Seller Central. Be prepared to provide documentation, such as a GS1 certificate for your UPC or clear product images, to prove ownership and accuracy. In rare cases, if your product is genuinely unique and doesn't match any existing ASIN, you might need to consider using a different GTIN or creating an entirely new ASIN.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.